Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thamai Old Beat House Shillong.
Ka Sankardev College Shillong ha ka Pratarik Unaileber Arjar Arpuway. Kala Sdang ya ka certificate course ya ka bala play pa ba de ka principal Jongkani ka college ka Dr. Yurika FP Lingdo ka balalong ka Kongsan. Hashwaban Sdang ya ka program ay jing hikay undong hikay Jongkani ka college uba Manbor S Warjari ula batay banya bin pabin halor ka jing penlong ya ka ni ka certificate course ka bayaday bat ka jing ay jing hikay banang ya ka Ktien German ka jing shna bat ka jing penya yo ya ki jing bam tenrai bat halor ka jing ay jing hikay ha ka diploma course ha ka computer applications. Hagani ka ngili don langru u scientist grade D in charge ka Nilit Shillong u Santau Borgohen ka Miss Media Vibha ka balawan ban mi ikmat na ka Nilit kum ka resource person u ba penbahalang melim umlong u balalong resource person u bala ay jingkren halor ka jing penya yo ya ki jing bam tenrai bat kuntubru ya ka kong Sonia Lari Hujan bat ka kong Emma Clarissa Lingdo ki bala ay jing hikay ha ka Ktien German.
Just a short brief I want to share with my esteemed colleagues, our invitees and dear students. We understand that you'll be very much engaged in the conventional courses that you are in, honors in different subjects. We are making use of online mechanisms of teaching. We have got a very, very robust, customized e-learning portal. At the same time, teachers are taking classes through Google Meet and other such media forum that we are able to take full advantage of. But nonetheless, as an institution, we also feel that we need to also provide you opportunities whereby you can develop your skills according to your talents and your abilities. So that is the idea of having certificate courses along in line, side by side with your conventional courses that you are taking. The idea is that as you graduate from this institution, you will also be having enhancement of different skills, set of skills that will go a long way in providing you opportunities in life. Whether it is learning German, whether it is indigenous food production, or the computer applications, these three courses which will be launched today, all of you have been very responsive to these programs. They will indeed equip you with these added skills and they will provide you opportunities, they'll provide you platforms by which you can take forward these set of skills for which you'll be trained.
This is a very great opportunity for our students to be able to get the chance to learn a foreign language, that is German. And it is a very great initiative of the college in choosing this language as one of the foreign languages to be taught to our students, because as per the surveys that have been conducted, German language has always been one of the top 5 languages people opt to learn. And it is also among the 10 most commonly spoken languages in the world. It is also the 3rd most popular foreign language taught worldwide. So in India in particular, the demand for this foreign language is in the rise. Opportunities that students will, job opportunities that students will get after completion of this course. Number one is you can be a trainer, that means a German language teacher or a trainer. That is, if you have completed all the levels and you are a certified German instructor. And then the number 2 is you can also be a translator or an interpreter. Some Indian government organizations and multinational companies or NGOs need translators to convert thoughts, intent and words into different languages. So this is where your skill of learning a German language will come into play. And you can also have opportunities in the tourism industry, that is as a tour guide for the German tourists. in the hospitality industry. So these are very few of many of the opportunities that will be available to you once you become an expert in this foreign language. Now, the objective of this course is to train the students in this particular skill, which would generate self-employment and build their entrepreneurship capabilities. The IQAC and the Career Counseling and Placement Cell of the college finds it important to impart such knowledge and training to its students. NELIT is engaged in both formal and non-formal education in this area of IECT, besides development of industry-oriented quality education and training programs. NELIT has endeavored to establish standards to be the country's premier institution for examination and certification in the field of IECT. It is
from planning to preparing to implementing. This team has worked very hard as a group. They have put in all their efforts for the best interests of the students. The growth of this institution beyond the conventional streams. These courses have been conceptualized since last year, but due to the pandemic, they could not be taken forward. But I am so happy that now we are good to go and launch these programs. The course on learning German will be of great help to our students and working professionals, as they will have the opportunity to attain an extra qualification, that is, attaining certification in a foreign language. I have no doubt that this is a tremendous value addition to their education profile. Moreover, we have introduced this course in collaboration with an esteemed institute, the Ktien Institute, Kolkata. This program will be sponsored by the college through its welfare fund. The advanced diploma course in computer application is very important for our students. The IT expertise is a necessity in every form of employment today.